The forest was lush and green, with sunlight streaming through the leaves as birds chirped and fluttered in the air. It was a beautiful day, and the forest was livelier than ever, not because spring had arrived, but because a truly special event was taking place. The starling exclaimed, "Today is a big day. We're going to choose the king of all birds." One by one, the birds appeared, each in their own unique style. The owl, wise and observant. The black crow, serious and composed. The starling, sharp-tongued and quick-witted. The parrot and peacock, dazzling in their brilliant colors. A flock of little sparrows chirped excitedly nearby. From every corner of the land, birds of all sizes flew in. Each species brought with them their own hopes and thoughts about who deserved to be king. The parrot and peacock confidently declared, "We're the most magnificent. Shouldn't that make us the rightful kings?" The owl calmly responded, "Beauty alone isn't enough. Wisdom and composure matter too." Beneath the great ancient tree, the gathering place for the council, the debate grew more and more lively. Every bird had their own reasons, their own point of view. The crow spoke boldly, "I've lived everywhere. I've seen and learned a lot. Experience, that's what a true king needs." The starling chuckled, "Who would follow a king that isn't fun? I can talk. I can tell stories. If I were king, no one would ever be bored." A blinding light filled the sky as the phoenix soared down from the heavens, landing with majestic grace. While the others were still caught up in their arguments, a fiery figure appeared on the horizon. The phoenix spoke in a calm, resonant voice. "My dear friends, if you were to choose a king, look not at feathers or songs, but at the heart and the actions that follow." Phoenix shared the story of a long journey through fire, rescuing young birds from a forest blaze, then living in hiding for years to protect the weak. A little sparrow chirped, "You saved us once. You're not only noble, but also kind and brave." The owl nodded thoughtfully. "That's what we need. Not the smartest, the prettiest, or the most talented, but the one who knows how to sacrifice and lead." At the top of the tallest tree, birds flew in joyful circles, celebrating together. All were united in honoring the phoenix as their king. From that moment on, a new era began, one where birds lived in harmony, respecting one another under the guidance of a true and worthy leader. Long live King Phoenix. Story message: a true king is not chosen for appearance or talent, but for heart, sacrifice, and the spirit of leading others.